Trevor's going, she's gone. Well, bell ringing's been taking place for thousands and thousands of years, ever since there have been bells. But actually it's been since the 1600s that we've had ringers ringing bells as we do today. The magic of bell ringing to me is that you can just go into any tower. There's 7,500 towers with bells in that are ringable, and people will welcome you with open arms. They'll just say, great, come and join us, and what do you ring, and we'll ring with you.
I kind of find it inspirational knowing that I can do something which other people can hear outside, yeah.
I'd absolutely encourage people to just attend and see if it's something for them, but I just joined and it was great.
Give it a go. You don't need to have a faith. If you live within the communities and you want to have a go, just pop along.
Look to, Trevor's going, she's gone. If you had a hard day's work or you're worried about something, as soon as you start bell ringing, that completely goes out of your head, and after an hour or two of bell ringing, you finish and you feel just amazing.